In this video, we will learn IFS formula, the newer version from the if formula. We are generally using if formula in which we have only one logical test. So if we have to add more than two logical tests, we have to use if formula again, which make our formula very lengthy. So Office 365 and Excel 2019 is come with the new formula, which is start with if s, which is with the multiple criteria. So you have a logical condition test 1 2 3, any number of tests. So in this field I have a student name and marks they have obtained, and against depending on the marks they obtained, I want to give them the grade. They have scored excellent, good, or average. So I will use IFS formula here. I will use type IFS, then logical test is when this cell is greater than 85, then it should write as excellent. Now see, here's the difference between IFS and if. Now again I have not to type if, I have to just enter my again logical test again. Now my second logical test is if this cell C4 is greater than 60, then it should be typed as good. And third condition is if C4 is greater than 40, then it should give me the result as average. And the third logical test is that in if formula there is the last logic is false, but in IFS formula there is not such false logic. So there is only true logic if the answer of only true. Suppose if all the logics are not get fulfilled, then it will give an error message. So in the last logic, if anything is not fulfilled, I will manually type true here, and my value for result will be fail, bracket close. Now I just copy paste this formula. Now see, it's giving me the result where the value is greater than 93, 85, it's giving me the excellent and this. So only thing is that it has the only true condition. So if by default true means that value is fulfilled and the answer will be the fail. Hope you like this video. Thanks. Subscribe to my channel.